What up guys, Malong6 here, and you guys know that I've been following DIMO and how their devices allow you to earn passive income just by driving your car. Well, today they just reached out to me and told me that they are coming out with a brand new device that is better and cheaper, and they want to give me one to review on the channel, as well as give you guys one as well and a chance to earn one in a giveaway. So watch till the end and I'll teach you how to enter in the giveaway, or you can order one right now. Just use my code MATLONG6 to get 10% off your order. Anyways, you guys want to know what is the name of this new device and what makes it different to the DIMO AutoPi that they already have made. So the new device is called the DIMO Macaron, and it is smaller, it is cheaper, about $200 cheaper, and it offers more features of your car's own health, location, and performance. And another thing that makes the Macaron unique is that it uses the Helum network, which you guys know that I have quite a few videos about Helum, and I know Helum quite well. So this collaboration really does make me excited. So basically the Macaron will be using the Helum network to determine the location of your vehicle, as well as transfer data packages that contain the contribution that is being sent to DIMO, so that way they are able to reward you with your DIMO tokens that you can do whatever you want with. Now keep in mind that you do not need a Helum hotspot of your own in order to get the Macaron to work. All you need to do is go to the Helum Explorer, zoom in on your city, and make sure that there's a Helum hotspot nearby to provide you coverage. So one of the best parts about this collaboration between Helum and DIMO is that this is one of the main reasons they can provide the Macaron so cheap, because if you buy the AutoPi, I believe they're using 5G with a cellular connection, so since I don't have to worry about paying for all of that, they can just use the Helum network, which is going to be a lot cheaper for them, and in turn they charge you less for the product. Now if you did want to buy a Helum hotspot, you would only need to buy the Helum hotspot that does IoT, which means it uses LoRaWAN signal instead of the 5G hotspots that Helum also does, and the 5G hotspot portion is normally more expensive. So if you wanted to get an IoT Helum hotspot, I would suggest using the Freedom Fi, which I'll have linked in the description, or you can click the eye above, which shows me unboxing it, and later if you wanted to, you could upgrade to 5G, and I'll put a link for that in the description as well, or you could watch me unbox the 5G portion and watch me set it up as well. But like I said, you do not need to personally own a Helum hotspot for the Macaron to work. I just think it's going to be cool to see that my Macaron is not only going to be earning me passive income, but it's also going to be generating passive income for my personal Helum hotspot as well. Now, the next question you're probably asking is, Matt, how does DIMO work and how is it passive income? Well, basically all you do is plug it in your car's computer and then you practically do nothing. As long as you drive your car once a week, you will earn the baseline rewards, and the longer you continue your weekly streak of driving at least once a week, then you'll be earning the passive income. Because with DIMO, it doesn't matter how much you drive. You could drive 5 miles down the road only once a week, or you could be commuting back and forth to work every single day, and you're going to be making the same amount of rewards. Now that's different than something, say the Hive Mapper, because the Hive Mapper you have to drive different roads in order to be rewarded, and with the DIMO it's a lot simpler. And if you guys are curious about how much I've been earning every single month with my DIMO, then definitely consider joining me for my monthly live stream, which we do the first Saturday every single month. So I'd love to see you there and answer any questions you have about the DIMO. And if you would like to know even more about DIMO, like for example, how can DIMO afford to give us these rewards of DIMO tokens, then definitely check out this video for more information. Now that we talked about the passive income that Dimo can provide, let's talk more about the use cases and some personal experience that I've actually had with the Dimo and how it saved me money. So when you plug the Dimo into your car's computer, it's going to be able to share with you some real-time insights on your car's health, location, and performance. So we already talked about how the Helum network will provide the location for the DIMO Macaron. So let's focus more on the other things. So examples of health and performance would be like your fuel level, your fuel range. The DIMO can tell you the distance you've driven that day, as well as it tells you the battery voltage, the engine load and throttle. It can share with you error codes, which are pretty important to be able to read. And it can even tell you your car's estimate marketplace value. So now you know of all the things it can tell you. Well, let me share with you some personal experience that I've had on how the Dimo saved me money. So a few weeks ago, my car was having issues starting up, and instead of paying to take it to a mechanic to diagnose the issue, I was able to simply look at my Dimo app and see that my battery voltage was all over the place, and most of the time it was low. So this led me to buying a brand new battery to put in my car, and since then I've not had any issues with starting my car up, and it solved all my issues. And basically the Dimo app saved me probably $100 to pay a mechanic to diagnose what the issue was, and therefore it saved me $100. And since the Macaron costs $100, I say that alone, and combined with that it's going to earn me passive income, makes it worth it for me to purchase a Dimo Macaron. So talking about the Dimo Macaron may have you wondering, Matt, since the announcement of this new Dimo product, what's going to happen to the old Dimo AutoPi? So from my understanding, they're still going to be selling the old Dimo AutoPi, and what's going to be different besides the price point of the AutoPi and Macaron is it's going to be a better choice for those who want to maximize their earnings, as the Dimo AutoPi will earn a higher base reward than the new Macaron, as the AutoPi is going to be providing more contributions of data. So since you know that Dimo is going to be sending me a Macaron for the channel, you can expect that near the mid-November, I'm going to try to post a video of me unboxing it, setting it up even. And then we are also going to be posting a video probably mid-January 2024, where I share with you guys my experience of the new Macaron, because at that point I'm going to have had owned it for at least 1 month. And I also bought this splitter thing, so I'm going to try to plug in the Macaron and the AutoPi at the same time. And I don't even know if that's going to work, but if it does work, I'll be able to share with you guys how much the rewards difference is going to be between the two, since we know there will be a rewards difference. However, I'm unsure if that's even going to work, but please subscribe and hit that bell, because we will be making more Dimo videos here coming very soon. So now let's talk about the giveaway. So in the description, I'm going to have all the links you need. So basically what you're going to need to do is subscribe to this channel, my crypto channel right here. You're going to need to like the video, and you're going to need to subscribe to Dimo's YouTube channel, as well as follow them on Twitter and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, comment on this video, as well as comment on the next video where I unbox the Dimo. So then what we are going to do is combine the comments of both of them, and then pick one user to actually win a Dimo Macaron for free. Thank you so much, Dimo, for providing a free Macaron to send to you guys. And I'm very excited to see who's going to win. So this means you can do everything I said before, and then you can comment on this video, and you can comment on the unboxing video, and you can have a maximum of 2 entries in order to try to win the free Macaron. And then we are going to announce the winner of the giveaway in the video, where I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience of using the Macaron for 1 month in probably mid-January 2024. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to Dimo for sending me a free Macaron for me to try out for the channel, to share with you guys how awesome it might be, or maybe it sucks. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you to Dimo for sending me a Macaron to try on this channel, so that way I can gain some experience with it and share it with you guys, and I'll be able to share with you all the good, the bad, and the ugly about the Dimo Macaron in a future episode. And don't forget to use my code MattLong6 if you would like to get 10% off your own Macaron order if you would like to order today. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless. Peace. So basically, great. I just made a blooper wheel. I don't mean to do that.